Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Thieve.co AliExpress research, my experience finding hot products. Thieve.co AliExpress research is a product research tool designed to help online entrepreneurs, dropshippers, and marketers find trending products on AliExpress. It aims to simplify the process of identifying potentially profitable items by filtering through vast amounts of data and presenting curated selections. Key features likely include product filtering, trend analysis, and competitor research tools. Their website provides details on their different subscription plans and features. Thieve.co promotes itself as a time-saving solution, enabling users to quickly uncover winning products without endless manual searching. They emphasize data-driven insights and a user-friendly interface. While pricing details are available on their website, it's positioned as an investment for serious online sellers. While I couldn't find direct comparisons to competitors on their site, they highlight their unique curation process and focus on emerging trends. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Thieve.co AliExpress research. Getting started was pretty straightforward. After signing up for a trial, I was greeted with a clean, intuitive dashboard. Navigating through the different categories and filters was easy. I started by exploring the trending products section, and I was immediately impressed by the variety of products showcased. I used the filters to narrow down the results based on specific niches, price ranges, and shipping options. The interface allowed me to quickly analyze product metrics like sales volume, ratings, and competitor pricing. I even used the similar products feature to find variations on a particularly interesting item. In terms of performance, the site loaded quickly and the data felt reliable. I appreciated the visual presentation of trends and the ability to save product lists for later review. I did have a quick question about the competitor analysis tool, and their support responded within a day via email with helpful information. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, especially for a tool that deals with a lot of data. The standout feature for me was definitely the curated product lists, which saved me a ton of time. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would be useful for on-the-go research. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced filtering options, but once I did, I found them quite powerful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Thieve.co AliExpress research. It's a valuable tool for anyone looking to streamline their product research process on AliExpress. That's my overview of Thieve.co AliExpress research. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.